Right, this panel is the original one that's been marked up. So I'm setting the distance from the fence now. I'm putting some masking tape along the fence. Right, this is so I can mark where the holes are going to be positioned. I'm putting a line level with the edge of the workpiece on the masking tape. I'm lining the drill up with the markings on the component. We'll skip this one now, and I'll put one in without any lines on, and you can see how this works. So I'm referencing off the edge of the workpiece now. That's the front left hand end. Now I've changed over to the right hand end. That's the first hole. That's the second hole there, look. And that's the last one. Like, I've got 4 to do with this job. But it could be 400, and they'll all be the same. This is accurate enough for this, what I need this for. If it needed to be dead accurate, I'd put some stops on the fence. Right, I'm marking this one up now. That's the first line. But I slip up with this and I don't realise. It's hard to tell when I've got lines on the actual workpiece. But watch when I swap the workpiece out for the one without lines on. then I get a bit confused trying to work out where I've gone wrong. Right, so I'm boring that now. Right, can you see I'm boring that to line. Look where my reference line is on the fence. It's miles away. Right, now watch this. Watch when I put this other component on. Right, that's the first hole. That's in correct place. Right, now I'm looking for the second hole now, look. It's not there. Now I realise what I've done. So I've got to put the original one back on with the lines on. Then remark it and rub the mistake out. That's it. Start again now. This last hole, I just can't reach it with the throat depth on this drill. I could lift the workpiece up over the fence, but for what this is, that's near enough.